If you're looking for highly educational market analysis, then you are in the right place. This is the Transparent Effects Academy. I'm Nick, and I'm a top podder on TradingView with over 190k reputation points. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight onto the charts. In today's video, I want to speak about XRP USD. Now, why do I want to speak about XRP USD? Because at the moment, we do have quite interesting price action and structure. So what I will be doing is providing a complete multi-time frame top-down analysis. Now, starting here on the monthly time frame, what we can see is that the market has just tested a very strong level of previous monthly resistance here, again here, that the market broke to the upside with this impulse, and at that point, that previous resistance was turned support here. And now that the market is testing once again this area, it is acting again as support, and the market is rejecting it to the upside. Now, at the same time, we must acknowledge the fact that the market is currently testing resistance. In fact, here we have previous support and resistance, which is also the neckline of this M pattern, because in general, after the creation of an M pattern, you want to see a move to the upside for the market to complete the pattern at the previous support turn resistance. And in fact, I did make a full breakdown of XRP USD when the market was around this area, explaining all the reasons for which we could expect this rejection higher and completion at the neckline. And that is in fact exactly what the market did. And by the way, I will link in the description this previous analysis so you can go and check it out for more free education. Dropping down the weekly time frame, what we can see is that the market has just broken above a quite strong level of previous weekly resistance, which is now turned support and demand here. And as we're testing this previous resistance turn support, we do expect the market to provide more continuation to the upside, possibly even for the creation of a new weekly higher high. Dropping down the daily time frame, what do we see? Now, here on the daily, we can see how at the moment the market seems to be creating a move to the downside. Now, that is actually a quite interesting thing, because if the market from here will create this move to the downside, printing an M pattern, after the creation of an M pattern, we do expect a move to the upside, and potentially, since on the monthly and weekly we want to see a move even higher, we could break above the neckline and create the continuation. So if here the market will create this move to the downside and print this M pattern, what we would be doing at that point with students is as usual being reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. So when it comes to confirmation and entries, you have to go down on the lower time frames, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, if we will get this move to the downside, instead of here with students, we would be monitoring price action from an intraday perspective, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we would have to an intraday bullish market. And if the market will shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market and provide to us one of our valid entries at that point, we could be looking for this potential long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities at that point for the move to the upside and for the market to potentially complete the M pattern and even exceed the neckline. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis education and updates for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. We're currently running a special promotion, so I really suggest you go and click down in description. With the mentorship program, first you learn all the rules of the strategies, then you also have the possibility to ask questions every day and get the answers, as well as having a daily market breakdown every day of the pairs that I'm looking for according to the rules of the strategies. So it's a very complete program. I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description, and I will see you in it.